But here's what I want you to understand. Your earthly purpose is your job and your career and your occupation. Now, I'm going to stay there for a minute. Your earthly purpose is your job, career, and occupation. It is totally up to you whatever you do. God's going to allow you to do it, and he'll bless you in it. But if you're disobedient in what he told you to do as an earthly career, you'll never maximize that which he has meant for you in any other level. That says what? He told you to become a lobotomist. You became a veterinarian. You're going to be blessed. You're going to have a nice paycheck. You're going to have a nice practice. You're going to own the city of whatever, animal clinic. You're going to do a good job. And you're going to make money. You're going to make a living there. You're going to be like, man, I'm so blessed. You are. But you're not blessed. Where we miss it, we're not even getting a fraction of what he has for us because we believe that we've received his full blessing because we are blessed. That's totally up to you, what you decide. Butcher, baker, candlestick maker is up to you. You want to be a janitor? Then go ahead and be a janitor. But if he told you to be a college professor, you can go ahead and keep being a janitor if you want to. He's going to make sure you get a paycheck doing that. But you're going to be miserable at that job. I don't want you to raise your hand, but think about it. How many of you guys get up and go to a job you hate every single day? That's y'all right there. Because the byproduct of operating in purpose is joy, peace, confidence, and positive results. That ain't in the notes. You better write that down. Joy, peace, confidence, and positive results. I ain't going to church. Every time your eyes wake up, you hate Sunday after church because you're getting closer to Monday after sleep. You're not operating in purpose. Because what? You have selected your job. But do you get a paycheck? Yep. Most people, why do they stay? Oh, he's making so much money. Yep, you blessed. You blessed. You got a job. You got a career. Right? It's your occupation. This is your earthly purpose. Now, your earthly purpose is given and assigned to you according to your skills, gifts, and talents, which are your abilities. Key word, operative word is abilities. Your earthly purpose is assigned to you according to your abilities, which is your skills, talents, and gifts. And then lastly, it determines your income and your quality of life. You're going to see that on the slide later. Income is symbolized by money signs. Quality of life is symbolized and depicted by QOL. So when you see QOL, a couple of slides from now, I'm talking about quality of life. When you see dollar signs, I'm talking about money. So whatever you do in an earthly purpose determines how much money you make. Told you to be a doctor? Become a doctor, not a nurse. Unless a nurse is on the way to becoming the doctor. Don't settle. Many of us do that. This is too hard. This is too hard. Well, I'm still working with patients. You just negated half of your blessing. In some cases, 75%. I'm still working with people, and I get to love on people, and I get to hug people, I get to witness to people. You thinking all ration? That's a stronghold of rationalization. He told you to become a doctor, not a nurse.